Today I am going to show you how a t-shirt is worn start to finish using direct-to-film technology. The first step you see here is preparing the artwork for print in my RIP software. After that, we're going to load our printer and voila, just like magic, the image that you created is on your printer. See it? After that, we set our press to 320 degrees, and 120 seconds. This allows for the piece of film to be married to a sheet of adhesive, and that then allows it to be applied to the shirts that you see and love so much, or at least I hope you do. That Mary thing I was talking about, that's this little piece of paper. I can't talk today. That's that piece of paper right there. That is an adhesive sheet, otherwise known as a B sheet. Pretty neat. Always preheat your bottom plating. Makes for a great press. And for 120 seconds, while I do all these other things, then boom. This is what you're going to have at the end, and this is very hard to do with one hand. I tried it, I can't. Peeling is a very important part of this process, and I didn't want to waste materials. So that is what it looks like after the adhesive has been added to the film. If you look really closely, you'll see little holes. And those holes are really just to ensure that water and air can flow through the garment when you wash it. Otherwise, it peels. Right here, I am setting the press to prepare for the seal and the actual application of the image. The hard part's over. Just apply your film with heat-resistant tape and craft paper. 30 seconds later, remove it from the press. It will be hot. And this is the part that I find super duper neat about this whole process, and that is the handy dandy ice pack. These garments do not work if they are peeled when the temperature is wrong. Most of the time you need to peel cold, and it doesn't mean room temperature, it means cold. And the way I achieve that is using an ice pack. I got these from Amazon. Yep, cools it right on off and makes for a beautiful peel at the end. Getting a good peel is probably like one of the things that I struggle with the most. But when you get your garment and your transfer completely cooled and you learn how to peel from one corner or the next, there are little tips and tricks to that. Some say just to peel for where there's a lot of toner. I don't know. But then we apply the T-seal sheet. This is a sheet that has a rubber backing. And if you use a press at about 290 degrees, it will seal the transfer into your garment, which again provides longevity. 30 seconds later, our finished product is ready to come off of the press. And notice how whenever I peel in a rolling motion. And on the way to what I hope will be a happy customer. So yeah, it's quite a bit of a process to do certain ones, but I love it.